Hello friends, my name is Jaivik Trivedi and today I am going to teach you how to create a render effect, a render image from your 3D structure in night vision. So for that I will open AutoCAD 2014. So for create a render effect on any kind of 3D structure, you have to remember and focus on four main parameters: lighting effect, second one is a shadow effect, third one is in which view you are working, and fourth one is your material. So to create a render effect on 3D structure, I will open one 3D structure, Jaivik underscore render. So just open it. So you can see here, this is my room structure. All sides. So you can see here, it is in 2D wireframe. To convert in actual 3D mode, you have to give visual style command. So just give vs and press enter for visual style, and to convert it in 3D mode, just select realistic mode or enter. So you can see here my whole structure is now in 3D mode. Okay, just little bit zoom it. So you can see here, this is my room structure. On upside, this is my ceiling, floor, 4 vertical walls, 3 chairs and 1 table inside the room, and 1 glass window. So you can see here my 3D structure is packed from all sides. So I can't in natural lightings. So surrounding effect, surrounding atmosphere, I can't use for render effect. So for that I have to give it a artificial lighting effect. So first of all, to create a render view, I have to set one view because this room is back from all side. So to create a view, we have to select one camera. Okay, so I am converting my view in 2D wireframe. So just apply vs enter and select 2D wireframe view. Okay, so you can see here my structure is in now wireframe view. Just select home and okay. So to select a camera, apply CAM command. Okay, so I'm applying it in this corner and I'm focusing it on my objects through this view. Just enter. So select a camera. It will open a camera preview for you. Just little bit drag it more closer. Okay, and focus it little bit more from. Go to the ISO view. So you can see here my camera is in this direction, but I want to make it in this one. So move it down from move command. Okay, just select your camera and see your preview. Okay, this is now to create camera view as your original view. Just click here, go to the viewport configuration list and configure it. Select setup as 3D, change view to camera. Okay, so this is my view. Custom view, custom model view and camera 1. Okay, so now I'm converting it in realistic mode. Okay, so this is my 3D structure. Now you can see here my structure is ready, but material is not still apply. So I am applying here different materials, and materials I will apply as a layer. So you can see here I have already created some layer for my 3D structure according to my objects. So first of all, go to the render tab and for material apply MAT command. Press enter. So material editing library will open for you. So I will search material by name, or I can also search it by category. So first of all, for my floor I will search it by category flooring. So to add this material in my material library, just drag and drop. Okay, now for my wall I am going to select a white color paint. So select it and search it by name. Wall covering here, this one, just drag and drop in your library. Okay, now for glass on my table and in my window I'm selecting by glass. Just select this one, or you can select this. Okay, just drag and drop. Now for my chair I would like to prefer apply this leather effect. So material, so select it and drop it in your library. Okay, for my steel rods I'm giving here stainless steel material. So this is your stainless steel material. Select it and drop it. Okay, so it's complete. Now select here a material attached by layer. So this is your material library and this is your layer library. So I will give here abstract white. For my 3D glass effect, smoked bronze material. Same here for glass in window. For 3D clean, abstract white. For my 3D light, stainless steel bright material. For my furniture cover, pebble brown. Furniture steel road, it's stainless steel bright. And for my floor, it's antiroba natural. I will use the same for my floor or frame. Okay, so my material is applied. Now it's time to create a lighting effect. So this structure is packed from all sides, so you can card set atmosphere lighting like sun effect and cloud effect for this. So I will create uh, an artificial lighting from my point light, spotlight, distance light, and also from web light. Okay, so let's see how can we create it. Just convert it. You can see here these four spots blank space are for my light space. I'm giving here a point light. You have to remember that you have to select or turn off the default lighting, which is sunlight. Just place it in this lighting space. Okay, so my lights are ready. One more time, convert it in realistic mode. Now convert the structure in 3D mode. For that, press VS enter and R enter. So this is my structure in realistic mode. Select a perspective view and you can see here my lightings are ready. Okay, now I can apply a render window from selecting it, or you can also apply render command, which is RENDER, and press enter. So you can see here it's perfect render image. Okay, so you can see here, this is my rendered image, but still it is not good. I want to improve quality of this image. You can see here my ceiling is totally black. There is dark shadow in front of my chairs, and this floor is just little bit get a blurry image. So for that I will do a little bit changes in my material. So for my floor, this is my floor material. Just double click on it to edit it. It will open a material. Just click on this button, go to edit image, and reduce the image brightness from 50. Okay, just close it and do again render. So for that I am applying here a web light to solve the problem of darkness. Just I want to apply it in center of my room, so I am giving here M2P command for mid between 2 point. Just select move it to upside because I want to set this in my room exactly at the center. So I am giving here M2P command first and second one on second floor. M2P means mid between 2 point. So you can see here it is ready exactly center space of my room. Second web light exactly center at my two vertical walls. Okay, now render it again. Okay, so you can see here this is your previous one image and this one is your latest image. My ceiling is now clear and dark spot from the front side of my chairs is clear also. Okay, so you can see here room is ready by applying lighting effect. Now to improve render quality I am selecting here presentation, click on render, improve render quality to the maximum, set the size to the maximum. Okay, and one more time, apply render. So friends, you can see here, this is our latest rendered image, and you can monitor literally difference between these three images. This is your first rendered image, too darker. This is your second rendered image, and this one is your latest rendered image. So thank you friends. If you have any kind of doubts related AutoCAD or any kind of query, you can just mail me your query on my mail ID, which is Jaivik _ AutoCAD